And so, hockey, what are you doing? Are you playing or not?
Oh, jeez. When now? Yes, I am. So then you'll see me.
Oh, really?
You know that.
Yeah.
But just do midweek. No weekends. I'm just doing the midweek vets, but
Yep.
they're introducing a 50s team.
Oh, really?
So we've been elevated up to the 50s team this year.
50s.
So
Wow.
hopefully it will mean that I won't be in here as much. Or the body's going to be going, oh.
Yeah. Oh, so good. So good that you.
Just to still be doing something. But I think they thought, because we've done the grand finals every year, but all of us just thought they're letting youngers and more younger ones, like, 35-year-olds, and some of them are still fit and racing around. So let's go up where we can just play for social.
Play for social, play for fun.
Yeah.
Still to win.
Yeah, well, we will.
Yeah.
we still have that desire.
Yeah. Oh, it's tender in there, isn't it? Oh, it's brutal.
And I'm talking, trying to ignore that.
Yeah. That's it. Oh, God. Let me just do a little bit of my grip and rip technique. There we go. Awesome. This is just releasing bits that are tight, adhesions that form in the muscle. There we go. Good.
Hopefully you get some enjoyment out of this, hey?
No, I feel my patient's pain. I feel it as well. That's why I'm grimacing half the time. Alright, let's get you on your side, facing this way. Relax that shoulder back. Breathing in and breathing out. Oh, good. And the other side for me. Oh, sorry. Yeah. One over here. Okay, I've gotcha. Breathing in and breathing out. All the way. That's it. Good. Okay, lovely. Sitting up for me. That's getting better. Arms across the front for me. Stay hunched forward. Breathing in and breathing out. Oh, nice. Feel okay?
Yep.
Breathing in and breathing out. Good. Excellent. Legs over that way for me. Shuffle back towards me. Arms across the front of your chest. Breathing in and breathing out. Yeah, good.
Could it all go today?
It's all going. Okay, laying on your back for me. Start with the neck. Oh, that's locked up at the top. We'll do the top joint in a different way. So I'll get you sitting up for me, Candy. And just sitting facing that way. Just off the middle actually a bit further this way. And shuffle forward a little bit. That's it. Alright, yeah. Haven't done this version of you, have I?
No.
Okay, let's drop the head over for me. Okay, yeah, just drop the head into the... There we go, good. That one's a bit intense.
I'm relaxing.
Okay, we'll drop the head. That's it. There we go. Good. Oh. All right, laying your back for me. Yeah. It's a bit dramatic, that one. Good. Nice. Awesome. Wow.
I was trying to relax.
You did. You did a good job. You let go very nicely. Didn't even have to distract you.
I was just concentrating on breathing.
Because usually when you say to someone, relax,
You tense up.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Right, this leg up for me. Other one as well. Okay, squeeze your knees together for me. Try and crush my fist. Okay, push out with your knees. And then squeeze in again. Good. Okay, excellent. A bit sore there.
Yeah, it's just that one
Yeah,
side.
that's
Yeah.
sore. Yeah. It's moving, a lot better than the other day.
Yeah. So is that probably coming from, when I did that leg, probably from the glute or more from like the tightness, you think?
Yeah, the tightness is coming from the lower part of the lower back, like the lower back joints, and into the sacroiliac joint. Yeah, that right sacroiliac joint.
Which is where mine always goes through hockey.
Yeah, it's the same problem
It's
area.
as if my kids are out.
And then it tightens.
That's called old age.
Old age.
Old age.
You're not there yet.
Being active all my life, that's what it is.
Yeah. Yeah, you made the most of it.
Still making the most of it.
That's right. Only halfway.
That's a nice way to look at it.
Apparently we're gonna live to 100, so we're not there.
51 in 2-3 weeks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's when we're in Bali.
Yeah. Okay, excellent. Right, foot up for me. Come down a little bit further. That's it. Let's just adjust that lower back. Front adjustment. So through the stomach, deep breath in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And breathing in and breathing out. Awesome. So it's contacting the front of the vertebra rather than the back of the vertebra. Alright, I'll get you sitting up for me. Sitting over here. Okay, facing me. And let's just check that flexion. So just bending forward when we. Okay, that's good. It's way better than it was the other day.
Yeah.
That's way better than the other day. Yeah. That's good. We'll leave it there at the moment, Candy.